Hi friends, welcome to Pharma Job Alert YouTube channel. Today's video is Ciron drugs. You can see walking for 17th to 21st July 2024 and time is 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. You can see walking for positions is department wise quality control, quality assurance, and designation is executive, senior executive, officer, senior officer, assistant manager. Coming to the education and qualification, Bsc Msc Bpharm graduates apply to this position and experience is 2 to 10 years of experience. Total vacancies are 8 and job role is planning and executive stability, samples, analysis, report review, troubleshooting of HPLC, and carry updated resume and one photograph, current company last 2 months salary slip and CTC structure. For more information, contact to mentioned mobile number. If you have any query, please contact the HR or send resume to mentioned email ID. Please refer description box for HR email ID and contact details. For more job updates, please join our WhatsApp group. Our WhatsApp group link is available in description box below. Another Vulcan in same company, Ciron drugs. Department is maintenance, RM store, production, HR and admin, IT, production liquid external, and designation is officer, executive, senior executive, and senior officer, operator, supervisor, and section is RO system, dispensing, document C, QMS, other activities. These walk in also 17th to 21st July 2024. Time is 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. and education is B Pharmacy, M Pharmacy, D Pharmacy, Bsc Bcom Diploma in Engineering, and MBA, Bsc IT. And preference is male and female is also, and positions is 20 is there. So these are the regarding job details. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching this video. For job updates, subscribe to YouTube channel Pharma Job Alert. Bye, see you in the next video.